Hello friends, I am Draksha Khan and I'm feeling very grateful to share that I have been a part of RBMI family. I was a student of MBA during the session of 2015 and 16 and my journey of 2 years have been amazing. It's really rewarding and energizing for me to share my experience to all of you. As a student, you find a lot of question while selecting your college. Same thing happened with me also. But fortunately, I reached somewhere where I got each and every answer that I had in my mind regarding market and business. And presently, I'm working with Orient as an area manager in Delhi. I started my career with Airtel. I got college placement from RBMI. So that's how I made first step towards my career. And I wish all of you good luck and make your future brighter. Thank you so much.
Hi all, my name is Amit Joshi and I did my MCA from RBMI in the year of 2015. Currently I am working as lead QA engineer with Send & Due. I am based out of Noida. So talking about my overall experience with RBMI has been really impactful, and the journey as a student for 3 years has been really great. If I talk about RBMI, it provides a very favorable environment for their students, being academics, sports areas, or the extracurricular activities, because RBMI does have a good infrastructure, labs, sports area, auditorium, and it provides a lot of activities like industrial visits where students can nurture themselves and showcase their talent. And if talking about the RBMI's placement cell, they work really very hard for the placement of their students. They provide the training, the workshops, personality development classes and the mock interviews to prepare their student for the interviews in good companies. Even every year they provide the placement fair in which students get a chance to get appear in the interviews in different companies and to get their dream job. If I specifically talk about the MCA department, then you will get the best faculties in the region here at RBMI, and I am really fortunate that I got the guidance from Dr. Rajesh Verma sir, Amit Gupta sir, Udit Agarwal sir, Dhanish Tandon sir, and all the faculties there at RBMI. Even it has been 5 years I have moved out from RBMI, but still today I get the continuous support and the guidance from all of them. Thank you so much for all of the support and guidance. And I feel like with the phenomenal infrastructure and the faculties always ready to help you grow, RBMI has made us workplace ready, and my transition into the IT sector has been really smooth. I'm very sure that anyone who comes to RBMI will be a different and a better individual when they leave the gate for good. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Princy Verma and I'm from 2015 to 19 batch of RBCP. Currently, I am working as a clinical pharmacologist at Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. In my opinion, I believe that my college played an important role in my life because the studies, seminars and extracurricular activities are the major fields in RBMI. I was always pushed up and encouraged by my teacher, Dr. Vikas Saxena, who always encouraged me to participate in all the activities. And now I really missed those days. I would like to say that you don't need to go outside for the relevant courses, because RBMI just not only shaped my whole career, it also shaped my way of thinking, my way of talking and my personality development. So now I have been developed an amazing personality in myself due to the true effort of my college. So I would like to say thanks to all the whole faculty of RBMI. Thank you so much.
Hi all, my name is Abhishek Pal and I did my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from RBMI College in 2019. Currently I am working as a senior software engineer in the Web Mobile Technologies that is based out of Noida. And today I will talk about my overall experience in RBMI College. So it was really an impactful journey as a student for 4 years. If I talk about RBMI, then it provides a very favorable environment for their students, being academic areas, because RBMI has a good infrastructure like as labs, sports areas and the auditorium, and it provides a lot of activities. It is like a industrial visit where students can nurture themselves also. If I specifically talk about the engineering department, then you will get the best faculty in the region here at the RBMI. And I am really very fortunate that I got guidance from Professor Ankul Tiwari sir, Gaurav sir and Ravi sir. And I am very sure that who comes to RBMI will be a different and better individual. Thank you.